everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for modular kitchen business. So let's suppose I am an owner of a modular kitchen business and I am receiving many leads and inquiries on my IndiaMART. Now whenever there is a new inquiry or the new lead, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now as I completely want to automate this process, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART from where I will receive new lead or the new inquiry, and then in my action application, I am going to take AI Sensei, with the help of which I am going to send automated WhatsApp message. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for modular kitchen business. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, I need to sign in to my Pabbly account. On the top right corner, I can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for modular kitchen business. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries, which means whenever I will receive a new lead or the inquiry in my IndiaMART, automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, which means whenever I will receive a new lead or the inquiry in IndiaMART, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever I receive new lead or the inquiry in IndiaMART and then action says do this, then send WhatsApp message to that inquiry. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take IndiaMART, and then in my trigger event, I have to take this new leads. Now I need to make connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection, and to make this connection, let's open my IndiaMART account. So this is the IndiaMART account, and this is the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART. On the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I have to click on this lead manager, and then I have to go to this three dots, from where I have to go to this import export leads, and then I have to click on this push API. So this page has appeared in front of me, push API integration, and under this I have to select the source, and then I have to enter the CRM platform name. So from this drop down, I want to select this as other, and then I have to provide the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So my CRM platform name is Pabbly Connect, and then I have to enter the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and then I have to click on the save details. Now I have to give the reason that why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So in this drop down, I can see all these reasons. Here I simply want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance, and then I have to click on this click to generate OTP. Now I have successfully added this webhook URL that I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow in this IndiaMART, and now let's open my Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my profile in IndiaMART, and I'm going to send inquiry from that profile to my own business. And if Pabbly Connect capture the response here in this workflow, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, that is successful. So now I'm going to open my profile in incognito mode and I'm going to send queries to my own business from that profile. So here I have opened my profile. My name is this, phone number is this, email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, and the company name is latest company. Now I'm going to search for my business and then I'm going to write my query to that business. So after searching for the business, I simply have to click on this contact supplier and then I have to write my query in this box. So let's say here I have added my query. Hi, I am interested in getting modular kitchen installed in my home. I came across your profile on IndiaMART and would like to inquire about your offerings. Could you please provide more information? Waiting for your reply. Thanks, regards. Now I have to click on this next and then I have to click on this submit. As I have successfully submitted my query, now these details should be captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my Pabbly Connect. So here I have successfully received the response. The status is success. I have received the unique query ID and this query ID will be unique for every query that I will receive. Then I have received the response subject and then I have received the state. So the state in my profile was Madhya Pradesh and the sender name is this. I have received the phone number. The email address was latest@pabblytudes.com. The company name was latest company, and here I have received the response for the city and the address, which is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Here I have also received the product name, which is Pabbly Connect free demo available, and over here I can see that I have received the exact same query that I have sent to my business from my profile. I am interested in getting a modular kitchen installed in my home. I came across your profile on IndiaMART and would like to inquire about your offerings. So this is the exact same query that we have sent to my business from my profile, and this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, that is successful because I have started receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect. Now whenever there will be a new inquiry or the new lead, I will start receiving the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is a new lead or the new inquiry, I want to send automated WhatsApp message. So for that, I am going to take AI Sensei in my action application, and then in my action event I have to take this send template message. Now I have to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then I have to enter the API key so as to make this connection. So to make this connection, let's open my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account. On the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I have to click on this manage, and then I have to click on this API key on the left hand side itself. Then I am provided with the API key which I need to copy and paste that API key over here, and then I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name, and to enter this, let's open my AI Sensei account. So over here in this manage section itself, I can see these options. Here I have to click on this all, and if I scroll down I can see all the templates that have been created. Now over here I have created this template kitchen business, and here this is the message that I'll be sending to my leads and inquiries. Hi demo. So this is the custom variable which will keep changing whenever I will receive a new lead with the name of that new lead. Thank you for showing interest in our modular kitchen through IndiaMART. We specialize in designing and installing modern, functional and stylish kitchens that are tailored to your needs. So this is the rest of the message. And now if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this new button on the top right corner, and from here you can select the template category, then name this template, then select the template type, and then draft the message in a way that you want to send to that lead, and then you simply have to select the template language, after which you have to click on this submit. Now after creating this template, we have to create a campaign for the same template. So on the left hand side I can see this campaigns option. I will open this. Now in this option I have already created a campaign by the name kitchen business, and here you can see this is the same template that we just saw. and the name of the campaign is same as that of the template name. So if you want to create a new campaign, you simply have to click on this launch button on the top right corner, and then you have to go to this campaign, and then you have to go to this API campaign, after which you have to select the template. So the name of my template was kitchen business, and then you have to name the campaign, after which you simply have to click on this set live. Now after creating this campaign, what I need to do is simply copy the name of this campaign and paste that over here in my Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter the mobile number, so I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response in IndiaMART, and when I click on this mobile number field, I can see this IndiaMART, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now I need to enter the mobile number, so the mobile number was. Now after entering the mobile number, I have to enter the username. So I want to enter the username as the name of the lead. So this was the name of the lead and I have entered that. Now source and tags are not required fields, so I'm going to skip this, and then I have to enter this template parameter. So over here in this template, I can see that my custom variable is only one, which is the name of the lead. So I need to enter that only. Over here, if I had many custom variables, I should have entered those variables and separated them with a comma. Now over here, as I just have one, I am going to enter the name of the lead. Then attributes, URL and file name are not required field, but if you need to enter this, you can enter following the help desk given below these fields. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and then click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received this message there or not. So here I can see that I have received the message, and this has been replaced with the name of the lead. Now here, this is the same template that we have created, the same campaign in which we entered the template. Thank you for showing interest in our modular kitchens through IndiaMART. And now, so as to check this, let me submit one more inquiry to my IndiaMART business from my same profile. So here I have opened my profile and I am going to send an inquiry. Let's say I am just going to write for now testing, and then I am going to submit this. Now I should receive a message in my WhatsApp. So let's open my WhatsApp, and here I can see that I have again received the same message. Now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a query and received the response here in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step where we took WhatsApp by AI Sensei as our action application. We entered the campaign name, mobile number, username and the template parameter, after which we simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to my WhatsApp number. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.